Hello guys, today we are going to discuss what is variables. What is variables in Java? Okay, so variable is basically a container. Variable is basically a container which we use to store the data. Okay, so imagine this is a container and which is storing some water. So container is storing something, right? So in the Java, variable is something or some kind of container which stores the data, right? So I will explain one small example. So this is int, this is number is equal to 20. इसका मतलब क्या होता है कि this is variable. Okay, this is a container and it's storing data, this data, and the type of the variable is integer. It means this container can store only number, right? So same, so when I'm saying that container is storing some kind of data, so let's take a real-time example. Okay, so when I say container, what comes in your mind? A pani ka container, this is water container, right? Then this is a container where we are storing cars, right? Again there is one more container, this is a bus, this is also type of container. Okay, here we are carrying passenger. So these are the types of the container. Okay, but every container is storing different types of material. This container is storing water, this container is storing cars, this container is storing passenger. So same in the Java, we have different types of a container, means we have different types of data types for storing variables. Okay, we have different types of data types. For example, if you want to store a number like 1 2 3 4, whatever it is, then if you want to store a decimal like 26 3.73 60.70, whatever it is. Okay, then now we have some kind of like name like Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, right? So we need a different types of data types. I will explain the data types of data types in Java in detail in the next video. Now let's focus on the what is variable. I hope you understand the questions or you understand this concept very well. What is variables? So in simple word, let's revise the things. In simple word, the variable is basically a container which stores a data. So when I will say in the whenever I will say the variable, the first thing should come in your mind is that it's a container which stores data. Okay, and try to visualize this code, try to visualize this diagram, so it will help you to understand in a better way. Okay, so I have given this example of an integer. Again I will take one more example, string. Okay, string is basically which we use to store the name. Okay, just basic example, I will explain in detail later. So when here I'm making the container of a name, so name of this this is the name container and where I'm storing Virat. Okay, then again I am making one more container, string name underscore 2, and where I am storing Rohit. Now I have one more container, okay, name 02, and where the data is Rohit. So this is the basic concept of a variables, right? I hope you understand it fully. Now let's discuss the syntax of the variables. Okay, here you can see there is a data type, then there is a variable name is equal to value. For example, data type is an integer and you are going to save the age. Now age is a 36 of Virat Kohli. Okay, then string name Virat. Okay, so here the data type is integer which stores the number, okay, and the variable name is the age. Here the data type is a string which stores the name, and here we are storing the Virat Kohli, right? So Virat name. So these are the values, and these are the variable number, age and the name, and the data type is the integer, and the string is the also another data type. So I will explain the types of data types in detail in the next video. So thank you for watching.